Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HTJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of having another conversation with Leonardo. Leonardo, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, Darren, thank you very much for having me. I'd like to start by saying hello to everyone that is watching. My name is Leonardo Marques dos Santos. Just call me Leo, it's easier. I'm a tax lawyer, a tax partner in a law firm in Portugal, also a tax law professor at the Portuguese Catholic University. My main areas of focus at this point are national, domestic, and international issues pertaining to individuals. So I think that's a little bit of what we are going to discuss today, right?
All right, fantastic. I know no one has a crystal ball, but what does the tax landscape look like from a policy point of view? New government in power, what changes could we expect to see happening?
I think the landscape is favorable to taxpayers, and there were some slight reductions on personal income tax even last year, but now the new budget bill has been presented, and around that, because the government doesn't want to overburden the budget bill with tax measures around the budget, there are a lot of bills that create a favorable landscape for taxpayers by reducing tax rates, notably personal income tax. There is also a plan to reduce the corporate income tax rate, the VAT rate for construction. So I think all in all, we are looking at some tax reductions over the next years.
Okay, that's good to know. And to those of us who are foreigners living in Portugal, can we expect any changes in the NHR?
Well, as you said, I don't have a crystal ball. The NHR 2.0 is quite an impressive regime in the sense that it will allow a lot of exemptions on foreign income. The issue with the NHR 2.0, when we compare it with the previous regime, is the scope of application. So what I would like to see, I don't know if I will see it in the future or not, but what I would like to see is a change by widening the scope of application, by covering more eligible areas of activity. We can delve into that later on, but I think this is the first true year that we are going to count on the NHR 2.0 as our sole special regime. So the application should be filed until early next year. So I think over 2026, I think it's a good time to make a reflection on whether the regime is working or not. Personally, I would like to see a broader scope of application in the regime.
Okay, thank you for that. Leo, if people wanted to get in touch with you, to hire yourself, to hire your team, what's the best way to find you?
I think I can be easily found on Google. So just Google my name, Leonardo Marques dos Santos, and I think the law firm, Miranda's law firm website will immediately pop up with my email addresses. That will be easier. I'm easy to find.
All right, fantastic. Thank you.